Thanks. I'm sporting a black eye. I don't want you to think that politics in Wales has become that tough recently, but a laurel tree in my garden can certainly say how tough it is. I was very tempted to wear mascara, but I thought it was inappropriate here today. Here in Wales, we can be proud of our contribution, really, by, in the past, a certain flamboyant character by the name of Leo Absi, who was the Member of Parliament for Pontypool, and who was, in fact, a Cardiff boy. And he, you will recall, in 1967, for those of you who were around at that time, and I was, sadly, introduced the first private members' bill which legalised homosexual acts between consenting adults in private. And that law referred particularly to England and Wales. For some reason, Scotland followed in 1981 and Northern Ireland in 1982. But really, I think the issue of gay rights really began in the world in 1969, June the 28th, at the Stonewall Inn in Greenwich Village, when New York people in that gay community fought back against a government-sponsored system that persecuted sexual minorities. There were riots in the street that meant the gay rights movement from that very moment was born, and not only in America, but spread across the world, even to here in a far more gentler land called Wales. And if you've never been to the Stonewall Bar, I can assure you it's well worth a visit. In Wales, who would have believed that we would have witnessed in our lifetimes a ban on gay people serving in the military? I remember talking to one old soldier who told me he would rather the person next to him on whose life he may have to have depended upon be able to shoot straight rather than think straight. And I think that's particularly important. Who would have said in our lifetime, in 2001, that the age of consent would have been equalised? In 2004, people would have the right to change gender, the right to change gender. And I'm pleased that the Petitions Committee of this body is now, in fact, this government is looking at those issues. In 2005, who would have thought that civil partnerships would have been allowed? And I predict that same-sex marriage will occur by 2015. And I can see and hear all the right-wing Christian groups clutching their hearts now, no doubt. But it's going to happen, so get real. It would be remiss of me not to mention, of course, the LGBT hosted the very first UK International Summit for Human Rights for LGBT people right here in Cardiff, in our capital city, in our country, last August and September. So the war is being won, albeit very slowly. The hearts and minds, there's no doubt, of legislators are being won. It's the general public we have to convince now. They must be won. I'd like to pay tribute, not everybody's cup of tea, but I would pay tribute to Gareth Thomas, the WRU captain, who I think showed great courage in coming out just last year, or was it the year before? I can't recall. But great courage, and has done a great deal of good for this particular cause. And I think it's so sad that really we have to read of the number of attacks on LGBT people are actually on the increase. So it's the public we have to win over now. We've won the rest of the war, but it is the war out there with Joe Public walking by. That's the war that we have to win. At least the number of incidents rising are being reported. And I hope these people will be hunted down and punished as they so rightly deserve. There is so much more educational work to be done here in Wales, and I congratulate the Centre on all of the work that they do here in Wales. No longer do people have to sneak into tiny bars hidden away from the general public. I am proud that here in Cardiff, in Swansea, in Newport and in Bangor, in some of our cities and towns here in Wales, pubs and clubs can now fly the freedom flag proudly, and I think that's something to our credit as a country. I look forward to the day when the hatred and the violence and the bigotry towards LGBT people is condemned to the very gutter where it belongs. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm proud to add my name and Plaid Cymru, my party's name, to this very worthy cause. Federico, Norina, I wish you all the luck in your month of celebrations. You will have my 101% support. Diolch yn fawr.